Welcome to the unit stated 20469, Evaluate Adult Learning Sessions. You can read the purpose there, but this course is different in that you are not being evaluated, but you are doing some evaluation of someone else's teaching. The summary is like this. In this assignment, after you've confirmed you have some understanding of the key ideas around lesson evaluation, you will then set up and plan an evaluation, including designing an observation checklist, which is based on some key aspects of good teaching you will decide on with input from the tutor you are observing. You'll then carry out the observation and evaluation. The evaluation should be over 3 30-minute sessions with the use of 2 different evaluation tools each session, and preferably at least 2 different contexts. You will then analyse the data and give feedback to the tutor you're observing and review the whole process. So, for the sake of our assignment, we've broken this up into 5 stages, roughly like this. A, find out about evaluation, why we do it, how we do it, and review some evaluation tools and methods. That's objective 1, outcome 1 for the standard. Then plan your observation. So you develop your form, choose one other method, and indicate how you'll relax the class, etc. And a little bit of a plan for this is part of the deal. C, do the observation, 3 30-minute sessions, use two tools or methods. D, analyse the data from your observations. Now, a typical classroom observation form, we will look at them, but usually we'll have some data, some timings, some actions and activities that are written down, but usually we have a bit of a summary at the end. So create this, and in the process I want you to just to double check you know how to give quality feedback. Then give the feedback to your tutor. And lastly, as in most of these activities, review the evaluation process. Now, if you've got any questions about this, then feel free to ask. Here's your instructions for working through this sheet. Basically, use this paper worksheet as notes to help in drafting and planning. There are actually 4 tasks. They're in green, and any help is in the red boxes. In summary, submit your assignments electronically. Put a copy of any of your supporting notes in Google Docs. Now, how much is enough? In general, unless they say 1 or 2 quality sentences should convey the key ideas well enough. It's a complex piece of work to describe, but it should be reasonably straightforward to do, even if at times it is hard and scary. The involvement in another tutor's class or somebody coming into our own class is always just a little bit scary. Otherwise, I wish you well. The next videos will be introducing task 1 and a couple of sessions which are covering off some of the content.